3, 2.
I'll give you a tip on that one.
Hey, I may have done that before.
Yeah, that didn't feel good. So what's up, guys? We're here at the Cahaba River today. It's a Monday morning. You know, we should be working, but anyway, we called in to go fishing. I'm here with my buddy John. We're going to try it out. Try to maybe catch some bass on the fly rod and maybe do a little conventional spinning reel. So we'll check with us. You know,
we'll check with you later.
We'll check with you later. Anyway.
And try and hopefully not hook each other.
That's right.
Hook more fish than ourselves.
That's correct. Anyway, it should be a good time.
It's going to be a great time. Looking forward to it.
Here we go.
You can see, like, on the top of this shoal, like all these little nooks and crannies these fish are holding. Everything that produces a shadow, these fish are holding, honey.
We're out here on the Cahaba River today. You know, hadn't caught anything, but it's going to happen. I got faith. It's going to happen. Beautiful day for fishing. Making the guide, Pete, he's got to earn his money today because I just put it in a good tangle, you know, similar to like Russ and Clark had to deal with in the Christmas vacation movie.
A lot of Christmas lights.
Yeah. But it'll be all right. We'll be fishing in another 30 minutes. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Yeah, I'm on.
That's fishing right on the road too. Stay tight too. Was it a pretty big take, or did he sip it?
You hung up or you got a fish?
I'm hung up.
You took your back to the bottom and got hung up?
Did you get free? Yeah. There we go. Working around over here.
All right.
We're on the board, boys.
All right. John just hooked up on a good fish. Oh yeah.
You see a grip on the floor. Love it. Let's put him on the board real quick.
Well, hey, yeah, that was quick.
So, like,
I don't see that very often.
we ain't short on snakes.
He caught that, and I saw him coming out. Look at that.
Is that a juvenile catfish?
Looks like a catfish, yes.
Looking at the fin pattern right there, that looks like a juvenile catfish.
he put his head out of the water, and I saw that
Yeah, it's
catfish flopping out, and I was like, what in the world?
Gentlemen, I gotta give you all credit for something. You are consistent on sticking them. Very. That's a good hook set.
Get your, you want to do that thing?
Oh, yeah.
This fishing trip brought to you by Artificial Intelligence.
There we go.
John.
There we go. Back on the board, boys. The features on this guy that, like, this is how we tell it's definitively a Micropter Senchali, right? So the hinge of the jaw is forward of the eye.
Yeah.
Right, so our lateral line, you see how these spots are touching?
Mm-hmm.
And then we've got the big one back here at the end of the tail. Right, and then look at how angular the blade of the tail fin is.
Yeah.
So when it's real pointy like that, that's how I know that's a Micropter Senchali.
And that's the spot.
That's a spot. Yep, Alabama bass.
Great job.
Tell your mama.
Well, you're making it look good, I give you that for sure.
He is working the shit out of that
Right fast. Hey, we can get this on camera. Hold on, it's in there.
Oh, it's in?
Yeah. I'm in the back, yeah.
Yep.
This is good camera food. Film this, John. This may be we may have to get the ERT team out here. Turn back. Party foul.
It's in the skin?
Yeah.
Oh, it's in there.
Count two. One, a bass, and myself.
I'm so sorry.
I think that wind pushed it back into
It did.
Here we go.
Oh, I bet that's right in the sweet meat.
Says mama grab on.
All right. 3, 2.
I'll give you a tip on that one.
Hey, I may have done that before.
Yeah, that didn't feel good. Hey, I'm gonna throw them flies without hooks today.
Yeah.
They just gonna have to
Yeah, what happened to them barbless hooks earlier?
Yeah.
Yo.
Real. Get a little blood tint on it.
It hurt.
It got a little blood on
Yeah,
it?
got a little blood on it.
Hey, that thing just got 10 times more fishy.
I'm telling you what, this looks to be. I might catch a shark. Catfish John is Alabama Bass John. Another one. What's that make you there? You know? 9?
Yeah. What I tell you earlier, if you put double digits in the boat on the Cahaba,
Oh yeah.
you done something.
I had someone say to me the other day, said, Cahaba don't have any bass. I can't wait to show it to them.
Yeah, they do. They got them bass.
All right, so that dude looks like he might have a little hybrid to him. Oh, he does. All right, so you see that crescent behind the eye right there? And then that little bit of teal through the gill plate? And you notice how his tail is not quite as sharp as those
Yeah.
the other Alabama bass we've been catching.
Yeah.
See how it's a little rounded off, a little
Yeah.
low black. So that is and look at that. Look
It's
at the
more
scale.
even, yeah.
And look at the scale coloring across the top right here where it's got that blue and green in it.
Mm-hmm.
So that is an Alabama bass and Cahaba red-eye bass. So my cropter's Henshawley and my cropter's Cahaba.
What did he just call us?
Yeah.
What did he just call us?
I don't know. I'm not sure what he called us.
I don't know.
First fish on the streamer, bro.
John wearing my camera finger out. How many is that, John? 12.
13,
I
14.
I think we're more than that.
13. Oh, he'll go 16 and some change.
Good fish.
Been a little chewed up on that, hasn't he? That old boy's been through it.
What are you catching them on, John?
That is a 4-inch chartreuse zoom lizard, but only half of the worm. So basically the tail portion of a 4-inch zoom lizard, chartreuse. Make that look easy.
I've done it a couple times.
So no, how many does that make? We missed 3, like 3 catches. So you're probably around 15 easy.
Easily 15.
Easy 15.
Easy 15.
I'm at 2, but that's all right.
That looked good.
Stocking her back in it. It's been about 10 minutes since he caught one, and I figured it was coming due. He's due.
It's about time.
Yeah, it is about time. Y'all, I hadn't even put the daggone camera back on. I can't even get my fly rod back in the water, and Stogner's over here like a kid catching. Them lips gonna get raw. John has caught the mess out of these Alabama bass today. It's been a fun day. And I think he just did it again.
That's a good fish.
Yes, he did. He just did it again. This could be a Walmart commercials. Oh my God. Watch for falling bass.
Talk to my fish till he gets in the net. What a good time.
Was that my fault? Guys, this has been a great trip so far. We've caught a lot of fish. A lot of fish. And I tell you what, this is my first time fly fishing for bass in Alabama on the Cahaba River. And if you want to go fly fishing and have a good time, get hooked up with Fly Fish Alabama. This guy right here, Peter John Cole, he'll put you on some fish. So it's been a great day, and it's not over. John has caught a
That is a pretty fish.
brim.
They're beautiful.
I mean, John, I'm not so sure you're not going to have Tommy John surgery after today.
His elbow's probably hurt.
Yeah.
I love a willing participant.
great trip today with Lee Ranch Outdoors. Me and John Stogner and Peter John Cole, we had a great time on the Cahaba. It was my first time, and I'm glad y'all stuck around to watch it with me. But anyway, if you want, like I said, if you want a good fly fishing trip on the Cahaba River, give Fly Fish Alabama a call. Hope y'all have a great day.